welcome back. Today we're going to plant some flower seeds. Tiago's tips. These are called marigolds. First thing we're going to do to add some dirt into this wooden box. You know something? There's actually a big piece of plastic in this thing. That's what you're going to do. Put a piece of plastic. Because just in case you want to use this wooden thing, it doesn't get dirty. The first thing we're going to do is add some dirt. My little scooper. Hey. Let's see if I can get it in the bag.
Got a lot to do, right?
Yep. Big scoop. Right, Bobby? These yellow things are vitamins for the dirt, and the dirt is vitamin for the plants. It pretty much makes sense. A lot of vitamins in this video. Pat it down. Now we gotta pat it down. Well, it's ready for seeds. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! We're gonna sprinkle the seeds. And then we're gonna add some more dirt on top. These are the seeds. They're a little long, and they don't look like a seed.
Right.
But they are the seeds. Don't want to add too many seeds. Now we're covering the seeds up. More dirt. Not too much. After this, we're gonna water it. Okay, that should be good enough.
Just a little bit.
Now we're gonna add some water. Now we're gonna add the box to the window so it can get lots of sun. We don't want to take it outside yet because it might be too cold for the seeds. So we're gonna leave it here. When it starts growing, then we'll plant them outside. Maybe we can put all the plants outside. For 1 week, this is what we have. Isn't that incredible? I think they start out with two leaves because that's what we see right here. And these are marigolds. And this is the sign of nature. We'll check again next week. Hi everyone, this is 2 weeks. And look what we got. They're growing beautifully. What do you think? All right, we'll check again next week. This is what the plant looks like after 3 weeks. This is what the plant looks like after 4 weeks. After 8 weeks, we decided to plant it outside. Now it's ready, nice and strong. And after about 2 months, this is what we get. After 3 months, this is what you have. Beautiful flowers. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.